guys, today I'm going to unbox my Samsung Galaxy S20 FE or Fun Edition. I mean Fan Edition. Actually, I have unboxed this in the store because I have to make sure the product is okay before I use it. So let's open the box. I'm actually really excited about this new phone because the color is my type. I was excited when I was in the store, and now I'm excited too because I'm going to show it, guys. Let's open it. Look at the color. It's a cloud orange. I really love this. Actually, I was really confused which one to choose because I really like the red one and the orange one, but these are the color choice. You can see the red and the orange is really attract me, but I choose the cloud orange instead. Actually, I'm really disappointed with the charger because it is the USB to Type-C cable, because my previous Galaxy A, it has a Type-C to Type-C cable. Now that I turn on the phone, I will set up, but I don't need any settings because I just transferred all the files and the setting from my previous Galaxy A70 to the new phone, so I don't need much settings. As a Samsung Galaxy fan, I really like this UI. Samsung has implemented the new One UI 3, so it looks new to me and it looks like brand new, really phone. It's really brand new. Actually, I bought the Samsung original case for Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. It was really expensive, but it is really worth it because, you know, some clear cases will turn yellow when it is in the past time by, but this is not going to be yellow, so I think this is a really worth it, and you can use the stand for watching movies. And that's all, guys. Thank you for watching.